Upgrade your drive with the stylish and versatile 2024 Chevrolet Trax 2RS, waiting for you at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer. Engineered for life in New Brunswick, our Trax combines bold design, efficiency, and everyday practicality to make every commute or weekend adventure one to remember. With a sporty RS exterior, alloy wheels, and only 38,394 kilometers on the odometer, this compact SUV makes a stunning statement. Inside, the leather-trimmed heated seats, advanced infotainment system, and sunroof create a perfect blend of comfort and cutting-edge tech. Whether you're handling snowy mornings with remote start or cruising on sunny days, our Trax is equipped for it all. Smart cargo solutions and a spacious cabin mean there's room for everything from groceries to gear. Plus, with our exclusive Huggable Guarantee and zero-down financing, there's peace of mind every mile. Add in trusted safety features and legendary Chevrolet reliability, and you've got a winner. Start your next chapter behind the wheel of our 2024 Trax 2RS. Visit Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals in Fredericton, or book your test drive today.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya.